They lied to you. Budgeting apps? Rigged to keep you scrolling, not saving. Banks? They profit when you overspend. But what if I told you the answer isn't digital at all? It's as old school as cash in an envelope. Warning, the system I'm about to show you is dangerously effective. Side effects may include crushing debt, growing savings, and finally sleeping at night. You're watching M3 Money Mindset Makeover. This isn't just a channel, it's a mindset revolution. Subscribe to elevate your money mindset and elevate your life. Let's go. Today we're breaking down cash stuffing, the old school Dave Ramsey hack that's making a comeback in 2025. Forget spreadsheets that collect dust and apps that nag you about exceeding your dining out budget. Cash stuffing is about taking control of your money with your own two hands. And once you understand why it works, you'll never look at budgeting the same way again. Let's be honest. Money feels less like numbers on a screen and more like vapor. You tap your phone, swipe your card, and poof, it's gone. You barely notice until you're staring at an overdraft alert at 2 a.m., wondering if Uber Eats was really worth $38 for soggy fries. Here's where cash stuffing flips the script. Dave Ramsey popularized this with his cash envelope system, and whether or not you agree with all his philosophy, this part is genius. You take physical cash, you divide it into categories. You stuff it into envelopes. Groceries, envelope. Gas, envelope. Fun money, envelope. Once the envelope's empty, that's it. No cheating, no overdraft, no oops, I'll just dip into next week. It's accountability you can feel in your hands. And it works because our brains are terrible with digital money. Studies show people spend up to 100% more when swiping a card compared to handing over cash. Why? Because handing over a $20 hurts. You feel the loss. You hesitate. You question if that overpriced latte is actually worth it. That tiny moment of hesitation saves you more money than any budgeting app notification ever will. Think of each envelope as a bodyguard for your money. You wouldn't let random strangers dig through your wallet, right? So why are you letting Amazon, Apple Pay, and every sneaky subscription bleed your account dry without resistance? Envelopes slam the door shut. But here's the real issue. Most of us are tired. You've got student loans hanging over you like a villain in a horror movie. Rent keeps climbing while your paycheck flatlines. You're juggling work, side gigs, maybe even school, and the last thing you want to do is budget. You're not lazy, you're exhausted, and the system is designed to keep you broke. Sound familiar? They don't teach you real money skills in school. They want you trapped in debt, swiping credit cards, racking up interest. Apps promise to save you, but they don't address the emotional reality. They don't get what it feels like to panic when your card gets declined in line at Target. They don't fix the shame spiral of overdraft fees that eat your entire paycheck. This is why cash stuffing hits different. It cuts through the noise. It makes money real again by grabbing an envelope and stuffing it with cold, hard cash. And once you start, it's like waking up from financial autopilot. You see where your money goes. You feel in control. And you start stacking small wins that build into big shifts. Drop it in the comments. What's your biggest money leak right now? Rent, groceries, food delivery, Amazon late-night orders? Let's call it out in the comments. Now, here's the fun part. Cash stuffing isn't just practical, it's kind of addictive. Imagine this, every payday you sit down with your envelopes. You've got groceries, gas, rent, fun money, maybe even a treat-yourself category. You pull out your cash, and it's like you're the CEO of your life, deciding where every dollar goes. Suddenly, money isn't this stressful blur. It's organized, intentional, even a little satisfying. Dave Ramsey compares living with debt to being chased by lions. You need to run with gazelle intensity. Envelopes make that possible because they force limits. It's like playing a video game where you only have 3 lives. You move differently when you know once they're gone, they're gone. And when you make it to the end with a life left over, victory feels sweet. And if you think budgeting is boring, let's flip that too. Leftover money in your grocery envelope? That's a mini jackpot. Throw it into a savings envelope, and suddenly, you're watching your emergency fund grow. Didn't spend all your entertainment cash? Roll it over to a vacation envelope? This is how saving turns from a punishment into a game. Think about it. When's the last time you felt good about budgeting? With cash stuffing, you literally see progress. The envelopes get fatter, the numbers climb. You're not just told you're on track, you can touch it. That physical proof rewires your brain to actually enjoy the process. Here's the breakthrough. The reason cash stuffing works is because it forces a mindset shift. Most of us think about money like it's infinite. Just swipe, tap, buy now, pay later. But envelopes remind you it's not endless. It's finite. And when you accept that, you stop treating money like it's air and start treating it like it's power. This is the line in the sand. This is where broke ends and ownership begins. You're no longer letting banks, landlords, and corporations control your money story. You're writing your own. And it starts with something as simple as cash in an envelope M3 family. You can and should do this. Cash stuffing won't magically erase your student loans or make rent cheaper, but it will give you control over the money you already have. It will stop the endless overdraft cycle. It will help you actually save for emergencies, fun, and even freedom. And most importantly, it proves that you are not powerless. You've just been playing by the wrong rules. Forget what the system told you. Forget the myth that you're bad with money. You're not bad with money. You've just never had a system built for real people in today's world. Cash stuffing is simple, it's physical, and it works. Up next, we're breaking free from the grind with a video that'll blow your mind. Do this every paycheck. Gen Z and Millennial Edition. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. I've been waiting to put it out there as the channel grew because I know it will add tremendous value to your life right now. Keep hammering and see you in the next one, M3 family.